Hi friends, I'm underneath my van right now, and because I have to do some repairs, but I ran into a problem, and I want to start out by, you should probably not try this at home, but I had a problem and I had to drill out a screw in my differential, and figuring out a safe way to put it back together is kind of critical. We've been through some iterations so far. Let me show you what I have so far. Alright. So, this is the inside of a Ford 7.5-inch rear differential. And as you can see here, maybe you can see here, focus, you fuck. I had to drill out a screw that was in here that held this pinion in. Now this pinion holds the spider gears up here, and then, but it's in the way of it also holds in the axle that goes this way. So we actually had to drill this out right here, unfortunately, and putting it back together has been a problem. My initial thought was to put a bar in here and then just weld it up top. But my girlfriend has suggested that maybe, as you can see here, there is a metal bar already in here. There's a little pocket on this side, hole through this pinion, and then some bar up to here, and then a screw. We did a self-tapping screw into here, as you can see. And there's some thread locker on there. And what we're going to do now is we have some JB weld to shoot into here and let that cure. We're gonna put that, just shove a fuck ton of JB weld up in there and let that just fucking goop on out a little bit. Yeah, that'll do. And maybe take, I didn't prepare for that. Maybe take this and kind of spread it out, push it in a little bit more. I gotta do better at filming while I'm doing stuff. Sorry, y'all. But yeah, that'll do. Like that. And then I'm going to try to let that cure. That is so out of focus, friend. Yep, I'm just gonna let that cure, and then I'm gonna cut the head of this bolt off, and this actually needs to be tightened down, so I need to find the torque spec to that, but that's it. And then we should be good. We should be good to fill it up after that. So I'm gonna finish up all of that stuff, and that's my project for today. Sorry, I'm a little dirty from being under the car for the past week trying to get this thing back together. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye, friends.